Hello beautiful family, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you this data entry specialist. It's fully remote. You can see fully remote training and implementation is available. Guys, you can see this is the company called Restaurant 365. Okay, so you can go ahead and read through everything about this company, but they are based in California and Texas. You can see this is the note. They say this position can be based in California and Texas, but also remote job. So you can see it can be fully remote, as on the title said, fully remote. Okay guys, if you are confident that you can work with them, they didn't specify that it's fully remote worldwide, but you can go ahead and try. I didn't see any words where they say worldwide. Normally I post job worldwide, but if you can be confident to work with them, try this position. You never know what can happen. Application is free. Go ahead and apply among of the first. Probably you can get this job. Okay, data import specialist is responsible for working directly with customer and supporting the implementation manager. Yes, customer service managers to extract and import client historical data from legacy system. This position required that you are wise at the working and Excel. So you have to know this one, Wix and Excel and love data. So all those are software that you can be confident enough to work on. Okay, so how you will add value: manage client data file. This is what you will be working on. Configure, import and cross-work historical client data. All those things. Create macros and process improvement to drive efficient. And then other duty you'll be assigned to. So you will need to be successful in this role. You have to be advanced in Excel knowledge, ability to sequence and restructure large spreadsheets, proficiency in Microsoft Office, and then experience in gathering, interpreting, formatting complex data, understanding of standard operation functions, and metric customer success, including managing multiple projects at a time. Desire qualification: general restaurant experience preferred, payroll accounting experience working with payroll platform, and love at all things data. You have to know how to deal with this data. Remember, the position is data entry specialist. This restaurant 360 team member benefits from all this. They pay up to $31 per hour. Ability to work remotely or hybrid. So if you are in Texas or California, you can work hybrid, or if you are in other location, you can work remotely. Okay, comprehensive medical benefits. 401k is provided. Those are benefits that they provide here in the United States. Equity option grants, unlimited PTO. These are the holiday that they provide. Company provide this holiday, wellness initiative, and so on. So why joining this amazing team? We are a community that pride itself, creativity, innovative solution, and producing quality works. Our product is secret ingredient that makes a really different to restaurant national wise. So I'm afraid that this job is about national wise, but you can go ahead and try. If you are in Africa, there is no need to limit yourself. Let them say you are not qualified, but never disqualify yourself. This is the goal, guys. Okay, so you can go ahead and click here, apply. They need CV. On this YouTube channel, I share the data entry position CV, how you can prepare your CV. You can see full name, all those good stuff. Again, LinkedIn account. You have to have a LinkedIn account. Prepare LinkedIn, upload your knowledge over there, certificate if you have them. They know that you will be able to perform their job, because Americans really deal with this kind of internet. So if you have your LinkedIn account, you can go ahead and copy the link and paste it here. Do you require sponsorship to work in the United States? You can say yes or no. For us, we will say yes if you are in Africa. So are you willing to undergo background check and everything? You can say yes. If you are referred by current employee, please enter their name. So please provide your annual salary expectation. You can enter there. And then, how did you hear from us? You can put it here, others, or somewhere else. And then you can, if you have something else to say, you can write it there. Additional information as well. You can put your cover letter. As you can see, always if you apply to some job, remember to upload cover letter, include their specific names, because they will know that you applied to this specific job. You didn't copy your CV, you didn't copy your cover letter. Always update your CV and put the company name, okay? So all those good stuff, guys, go ahead and select everything and then submit, okay? So guys, you can see they have this option to know if you are interested about sponsorship or visa sponsorship. Okay guys, let me go ahead and show you how you can access this job. By clicking the link that I shared with you, you will go to this restaurant 365. Then you will see, find your passion. You go to view all positions, and then this is how you will filter. You can see you can filter by location, by team, work type. You can go maybe full-time or all, everything. You can select all. Let's go to select all, and then location, you have to select remote, and then you have to location type again remote. So those are positions available right now to this company. There is customer success manager, on this ladder, and then onboarding associate manager. All those positions are fully remote. And then support specialist, and then technical implementation, support technical writer, analyst, and then training and implementation, data import specialist, workforce. This is our job that we are interested for today. But guys, if you are interested to other position, go ahead and apply. Okay, businesses intelligence analyst, senior business analyst, development manager, software, those are engineers, they want develop as well. And then data engineer, they have so many positions. In accounting, they have this position as well, but this one is look like they really need experience. So financial analyst, so senior benefits specialist, they have so many. In sales, they have sales development representative. This can be easy one to go with as well, because I believe they will not ask you experience here as well. So you can go ahead and check this one out as well, okay? They will say 6 months development software. So they will request you only 6 months of experience, and bachelor degree, all those things. So let's go back to our job. So after accessing this, you will go to that data analyst. If you see here training and implementation, and then click here data import specialist. This is how you will access this position. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I wanted to share this one very quick. Good luck in your application. I see you in the next video. Remember to share, like, and subscribe. If you subscribe here, you will not miss any job position that I post every day. Okay, see you next time.